Iyalandwa imphefumulo, bayalandwa abantu. This thing is obligated ukuthi sibe ngama-soul winners if sisindisiwe singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Siyayilanda imiphefumulo, we are using everything and anything to win souls for Christ. Siyehla senyuka, we are winning souls for Christ. Asilale emakhaya, we are winning souls for Christ. We are away from home, 21 days fasting, prayer, this and that, because we want to win souls. Kodwa ukhanda ukuthi iphutha lilodwa ukuthi we are working hard to win souls. Kodwa kuyo yonke lemphefumulo esiyilandako noma esoyizuza, kodwa inkinga ibe umuntu olanda umphefumulo. Ukhanda ukuthi siyabalanda abantu kodwa thina la sibayisa khona siyi thina we are just a bridge to heaven. Bazondlula bayezulwini. It is because thina we are excluding ourselves kwizinto esiyitshela abantu. Uma sikhuluma ngetithe, itithe ayiqale kimi mina njengomuntu olanda imphefumulo. Umnikelo awuqale ngami mina ngilanda imphefumulo. Thina we exclude ourselves esonweni ukuthi if we are preaching about the sin, mina I'm excluded kule nto leyo. Mina I'm preaching to somebody ekumela yezulwini without the sin. Nama must be included because I'm a soul winner. So winning souls, I should not left my soul outside. That's why lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu kuyomsiza ngani na umuntu azuze izwe lonke kodwa alahlekelwe ukuphila kwakhe. We are going to win many souls for Christ, but thina singayi. Kunabantu abazongena kodwa thina singangeni because we are not even focusing kithi. We only focusing to the souls. Nathi siyadinga ukuzila kodwa singazili ngoba singabafundisi, kodwa sizile ngoba singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Nathi siyadinga ukuthandaza but not pray as pastors, but pray as abantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Nathi siyadinga ukupha, siyadinga ukunikela but not as pastors and as apostles, but as abantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Nathi siyadinga ukufakaza hayi njengabafundisi but sifakaze njengabantwana bakaNkulunkulu, ngoba indlela esibiza abantu kuyona indlela nathi kumele sekuyona. Singayiwini imphefumulo engaka kodwa silahlekelwe ukuphila kwethu. Thina we must behave as abantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Unfortunately we behave like men of God. The problem ukuthi uma kunesibusiso ekushanyeleni enkonzweni, nami as a man of God kwamele ngishanyele phansi because there's a blessing that I'm saying God bless you my child ngoba ushanyelile enkonzweni. Uma lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu kuyomsiza ngani umuntu abazuze bonke abantu, alizuze lonke izwe kodwa lahlekele ukuphila kwakhe, ukuthi thina asiyi la siyesa khona abantu.